to our hard-working station master here at Nairobi. Everyone say goodbye, Paul.
Later, Paul. Good chatting with you.
He'll be here all night long. Goodbye, Paul. On the right-hand side, you might see our African penguins. African penguins do mate for life. They swim about 15 miles per hour underneath the water and can hold their breath for about 4 minutes. On the left-hand side, as we come around this corner, behind all these trees, you may not be able to see it, but I promise you it's there. It is going to be the Edge of Africa. The Edge of Africa is a 16-acre self-guided tour where you can see our pride of African lions, spotted hyenas, meerkats, lemurs, and even a Nile crocodile. It's also where we have a 225,000-gallon observation tank where you can watch our hippos play underwater. Right-hand side, you have Cobra's Curse. It's going to be that first roller coaster that you see. Cobra's Curse is a family-friendly roller coaster. It'll take you backwards and forwards and spin you all around, but it does not go upside down. It does feature a one-of-a-kind vertical elevator lift that takes you face to face with our 80-foot Snake King. Cobra's Curse is located in the Egypt section of our park. More adventurous though, this blue and beige roller coaster coming up on the right hand side is Montu. Montu has been consistently ranked one of the top 10 steel inverted roller coasters in North America. Inverted simply means you ride beneath the track. Montu will take you 150 feet up in the air, reach speeds of 65 miles per hour, and flip you upside down 7 different times. It is located right next door to Cobra's Curse in the Egypt section of our park.
I guess this would be the one way you can get footage over here.
Now we are getting ready to enter our Serengeti belt. Just as a reminder, our animals do have the right of way. I do ask that you remain seated at all times, just in case we do have to come to a slowdown or a complete stop. As we do round this corner, on the left-hand side, I want to get your phones ready. Just stay seated, guys. We are going to have what we call a tower. That is a group of giraffes. These are reticulated giraffes. Much like our human fingerprints, these giraffes do not share any of the same markings. An adult male can get up to about 18 feet tall, and they pretty much do everything standing up, including giving birth. So a happy birthday for a baby giraffe is about a 6-foot drop to the ground. We also have land antelope. Those are those brown animals on the left-hand side with the giraffe. The land antelope are the largest and slowest of the antelope species. Please remain seated, folks. Please remain seated. Please sit down. On the right-hand side, we do have a grubby zebra, pretty close to the train, as well as some impala. Impala are the two-tone brown animals on the right-hand side. They do this cool thing where they run over each other in a zigzag pattern to confuse predators. They can also jump 40 feet across and 10 feet high.
What up, Jeffrey?
These zebras on the right-hand side, I want you to look at their stripes. Notice how they stop at their bellies with that white belly. These zebras are considered endangered. They are the Grady zebras. Their stripes are actually much thinner than the great zebras that we also have out here.
Esa montaña nunca yo la vi, tiene 200 pies, o sea, más o menos 72 metros. Esa fue la primera que nos montamos, era al palo.
Además que sí. Pues no, porque si pusieran lo que no es, mentirían y no pueden.
Over on the left-hand side, we do have a wildebeest over there. He's over there by the white truck. Wildebeest are known to herd herds up to 1 million. A herd up to that kind of size can create a dust cloud so large that can actually be seen from the International Space Station. Please remain seated, folks. I do ask that you remain seated, folks. We do have some Grant gazelle on the right-hand side that appear to be pretty close to the track. They are going to be on the right-hand side coming up here. They're going to be the brown animals with the black racing stripes. They are the bigger brothers of the Thompson gazelle that we saw back at Nairobi Station. Please remain seated, folks. Please sit down. On the right-hand side, we do also have sable antelope. Those are those brown antelopes. One of the Grant gazelle is actually playing with the baby sable. Sable antelopes are run by a dominant female leader, and there is only one male per herd. The brown, shaggy-looking animals to the left of the sables are waterbuck. Waterbucks are known for their perfectly heart-shaped nose and the hollow ring around their tail. They will often retreat into the water when being pursued by predators. And also on the right-hand side, up on the hill, we have what is called a crash. That is a group of white rhino. Now they do look a little bit orange in color. That's only because they like to roll around in the clay. Rolling around in the clay is actually how they conserve and regulate their body temperature. An adult white rhino can weigh about 4,000 to 6,000 pounds. They do have poor eyesight, but they have really good hearing. So you could be standing in front of them, but if your heart is racing, they'll know you're right there in front of them. Left-hand side, we do have red-necked ostriches. And that's right, red-necked ostriches. Please stay seated again. They are called red-necked ostriches because the males have red necks. These two on the left are both females. Now these ostriches can run about 42 miles per hour. And their kicks can be fatal. An ostrich egg is equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs and takes about 2 to 3 hours to boil as well. That is Cuba. Cuba is Swahili for roar. Now, when those coasters are built, we'll put sand in the rails. With Cuba, we decided to leave that sand out, which is why she does make that roaring sound. Cuba will take you 148 feet in the air, breeze speeds of 60 miles per hour, and flip you upside down 7 different times. Coming up on the right-hand side, you'll see a break in the bushes. That is going to be Congo River Rapids. Congo River Rapids is a quarter mile of raging rapids, unexpected droughts, and geyser-filled caverns. It is where you and 11 of your closest friends, or complete strangers, can all ride together on a free-floating circular raft. You could get a little bit wet, or you could get soaked. You do have Jungala. Jungala is where you find our endangered Bengal tigers and orangutans. It's also home to Tree Top Trail, which is fun for the home family. Stanleyville is home to our newest roller coaster, Tigris. It's also home to Shikra. Tigris was built to mimic the agility of a tiger. It will take you up to speeds of 62 miles per hour, backwards and forwards, and skyward surges. Stanleyville is also a great access point to Sesame Street Safari Fun. And if you're looking for a bike to eat, there's also Zambia's Smokehouse.
A Nairobi namin.
Now we are approaching Stanleyville Station. As we do pull into the station, I do ask that you remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop. We do have Laura over there waving to us on the left-hand side. Go ahead and show her some love, guys. If you plan on getting off here, please do not forget anything that you came on board with. At this time, it is